Viewers, today we will learn about some basics of the activities. Viewers, in our last class, last lecture, we learned how to put the duration in Primavera P6. After that, we have learned about the activity type in Primavera P6. Viewers, you can see when you will click any activity, and after that you will click journal in bottom bar. You can see there are few options in which one option is activity type. We have learned about activity types. The other option is duration type. Mean duration type. We always used fixed unit, fixed duration and units in Primavera P6. The most important thing that we will discuss today is percentage completion type. Here there are three types of completion type. One is duration, other is physical, and third is units. In duration type, we have to put duration for the activity, and Primavera plan the project on the basis of this duration. And where the other option is physical, mean quantity base. Primavera will operate or manage the planning according to quantity basis. And the last one is unit, mean on unit basis. We normally do not use unit. Most of the time we use duration, and in some cases we use physical. Now what happen, let us suppose we have an excavation activity and we need 10 days to perform these activities. So let us select duration type for this activity and go to status. When you will go to status, then click here start the activity and put the percentage. For example, uh, this activity need 10 days, and you are on fourth day, mean 40% of duration has been passed, so you will put 40% here. When you will put 40% here, Primavera will automatically tell you the remaining days, mean 6 more days required to complete this activity. But if we select physical from here in this option, and then we go to status, and if now you can see there is physical instead of duration, and then we select 40% here. Primavera is not telling you anything. This is the old format. Or if you change it, mean you instead of 40 you can click it 60. There is 6 remain. This is old format because physical mean Primavera, or we are calculating in quantity base, mean 100 CFT of area, and we have for example 40% 40 CFT work has been done. This is a physical type of activity, but most of the time we use duration because duration is very helpful and give us the perfect planning. So viewers, the next option is resource, because still we didn't learn how to add the resource or how to create the resource. That is why we will discuss it after we will learn the resource. The viewers, next is predecessor and successor. Predecessor is the activity that is after this, and successor is the activity that will be performed after this activity. For example, this is the footing. The activity before footing is footing predecessor, and the activity which will be done after completing footing is known as successor. And here this is the codes. We will have very separate videos regarding codes in the end of this tutorial. We can also assign codes, and very useful method are here, and codes are very essential in big planning or in big mega structures. When we have to plan a lot of activities, this codes help you a lot. So we hope that you will learn a lot of things regarding activities. In our next class, we will learn how to give relationship to these activities. Thank you.